Hey YouTube, this is David from Unboxers, and I have a 6-pack Silly Bands. Silly Bands, see? Well, they're called rock bands, so I'm guessing these are the fake Silly Bands. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna bag it. Okay, and here's my real channel right here. I'll give you a second, I'll give you like 5 seconds for that. Okay, and here's Ryan's channel and Ryan's video. Well, here's his channel and here's his video of Unboxers. Okay, and here's me unbagging them. So rock bands. Opened it. Now I'm gonna take them out. Okay, well, here's an acoustic guitar. See it? Acoustic guitar. Chopper sign. Motorcycle. Music note. And two more, a saxophone. And a falcon. And okay, so that was me unboxing my Silly Bands. Bye. Bye, YouTube.